Hello, and welcome back to another Blacklist walkthrough guide. Today, we're going to be talking about all of the open programs that we have available to you, where to find that information, and how to review the individual program information for a program you might be interested in opting one of your projects into. As a reminder, right now, we're looking at the writer dashboard. So this is the first thing that you would see as a writer after logging into your account. I have 3 projects that I've uploaded in my dashboard. You might have more or less depending on what you've chosen to upload. All right, so if I want to get more information about any of the open programs, I'm going to look at the left-hand navigation panel, and I'm going to open the My Programs tab. From here, we're redirected to a page where all of the open programs are listed. Once you know which one you'd like a little more information on, let's say we want to learn more about the annual labs, we'd click the opt-in button. Now this opens up the program page for that individual program itself. And you can just scroll and read all of the information. Depending on the program, obviously the information here will look different, but all the important deadlines, information about the consideration process, specific information about the types of projects that are eligible to be opted into the program. So as an example, our annual labs only accept feature-length screenplays. And then I always encourage you to make sure you read and download the requirements and the submission agreement. And then if everything aligns, if you've got a project that is eligible to be opted into a program and it's online and you have a pending or a completed evaluation, then when you're ready, you can just click the Add or Edit Submissions button, and that'll get you opted into the program.